Hello friends, it is our powtoon app. It is an app we can make video, our own photos and everything we want. This powtoon app is best. Uh, and now I can see now we can edit it anywhere. The song edit this edit will know if pull down. So I have and there was no music, but I saw this and then this fantastic app. Fantastic song. So, the video. So now we can see 1 minute face with you guys can see. Yes. So the video is now I will tell you about social app. One, two, three. Ready, steady, go. See, it is a pochunga. There are templates. And see, I have made these. It was by mistake. Templates. They are templates and import. Now see, you can import any app in it. Now create. Yeah. The best is a make from horizontal. I can see the demo to you. See, powtoon app which is best. If you want, you can also download it. You have to only sign in with the Google with your account. You don't have to pay money for this app. It is free. So see, I will tell you all things and then bye bye. Cartoon. We want cartoon. These things we want. This time I will see you cartoon. I made from whiteboard. Cartoon, if you like all things in it, one thing you can try it from photo. It's so easy. Yeah. But do horizontal, my friend. Okay, so this we can search it also. And this cartoon looks, we can go back. See, I know my friends. You know, I'll put you now. Now, it is great. It is light, black slide. We can upgrade it if we will upgrade now. You can see we will watch a gift. You have 3 days. Upgrade it and download it, and then take the gift. Bye bye, my friends. We'll meet in the next video. Bye. Bye bye. Friends, where are you? Don't know, my friends. Bye.